Let's cut straight to the chase. When your throat feels like it's been through a blender, what you need is a remedy that works fast. Enter the humble yet mighty kumquat. This tiny citrus marvel isn't just a quirky fruit. It's a natural healer that could give modern medicine a run for its money. If you're tired of lozenges that taste like cardboard or syrups that leave you feeling worse, this is the solution you didn't know you needed. What makes kumquat a throat savior? First, let's talk science. Kumquats are loaded with vitamin C. One tiny fruit contains nearly half your daily requirement. This powerful antioxidant not only boosts your immune system, but also combats the free radicals that contribute to inflammation and discomfort in your throat. The natural oils found in the peel are packed with limonene and pinene, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. In simple terms, these oils work like a soothing balm for your throat, reducing irritation and fighting off germs. But there's more. Kumquats contain flavonoids, which are natural plant chemicals that help reduce swelling and pain. Whether your sore throat is due to a cold, allergies, or even overuse, looking at you, karaoke enthusiasts, these flavonoids are like tiny superheroes working behind the scenes to bring you relief. How to use kumquats for instant throat relief. Now, the big question: how do you use this magical fruit to treat your throat in just 1 hour? It's simpler than you think. Eat them raw. This is the easiest and most effective way. Wash a handful of kumquats, slice them in half, and chew slowly. The juices will coat your throat, providing instant relief. Make sure to eat the peel. It's where most of the beneficial oils are found. Make kumquat tea. If you prefer something warm and comforting, slice a few kumquats and steep them in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a spoonful of honey for extra soothing power. Honey not only enhances the flavor, but also acts as a natural antibacterial agent. Kumquat and ginger infusion. For a more potent remedy, combine sliced kumquats with fresh ginger in boiling water. Ginger adds an extra layer of anti-inflammatory benefits and pairs perfectly with the citrusy zing of the fruit. The 1-hour promise: how it works. You might be wondering, can kumquats really work that quickly? The answer lies in their unique combination of nutrients. Vitamin C boosts your immune response almost immediately, while the essential oils start soothing your throat on contact. Within an hour, you're likely to feel a noticeable difference: less irritation, less pain, and a refreshed, hydrated throat. A real-life example. Let me tell you about Sarah, a public speaker who relies on her voice for a living. A week before her big presentation, she woke up with a sore throat that made even a whisper painful. Desperate for a quick fix, she tried kumquat tea after a colleague's recommendation. By the end of the day, she not only felt better, but was also able to practice her speech with ease. The kumquats didn't just soothe her throat. They gave her the confidence to nail her presentation. The science backs it up. Studies have shown that citrus fruits can reduce the duration and severity of cold symptoms by up to 30%. Kumquats, being rich in both vitamin C and antioxidants, are particularly effective in speeding up recovery. In a 2021 study published in a leading nutrition journal, participants who consumed citrus-based remedies for throat irritation reported a 40% faster recovery compared to those using traditional treatments. Are there any downsides? Like any remedy, kumquats aren't perfect. Their tart flavor might not be everyone's cup of tea, or, in this case, fruit. However, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. If the tanginess is too much for you, combining them with honey or adding them to a smoothie can make the experience more enjoyable. Why choose kumquats over conventional remedies? Think about it. Most over-the-counter throat remedies are packed with artificial ingredients, preservatives, and sugar. Kumquats, on the other hand, are 100% natural, affordable, and easy to find. Plus, they come with bonus benefits like improved digestion, better skin health, and even stress reduction thanks to their high potassium content. Adding a touch of humor. If you're still skeptical, consider this. Kumquats are like nature's way of saying, here's a tiny fruit that packs a punch, use it wisely. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a remedy that's as fun to say as it is to use? Seriously, try saying kumquat without smiling. It's impossible. Wrapping it up. So, the next time your throat feels like it's hosting a sandpaper convention, skip the pharmacy and reach for kumquats instead. They're small, mighty, and ridiculously effective. Plus, they're a conversation starter. Who wouldn't be intrigued by a fruit that can work miracles in just 1 hour?